So welcome to the OSINT series of VIEH group. So we have a lot of tools. I already said a lot of tools which is related to email OSINT. But today I got a very wonderful email. So suppose if you are a person who is generating leads, right? If you are a salesperson, but probably this is for the OSINT folks, okay, those who are doing OSINT research and all those things. And this is hardly for the people those who are doing legal work only, not for the legal things. Okay. So this is a disclaimer for this video. So basically, suppose if you want email ID of a domain, okay, how you will get exactly what exactly things you're going to do, right? You'll go on Google, right? If you want to search about VIH group mail, you will just drop this keyword probably. Then you got an email internship@vihgroup.com, which is probably for the internship, right? We see from the first tag. But what if you don't want to do all those messy things, if you want to get the email ID of a company, so that from where you can communicate, and you can get plenty of emails of HR, some people those who are working in the company, so that you can contact them for any purposes, for probably for the legal things, ethical purposes. So here we have a website which is called sy skymem.info. So exactly what does it do? You can find email address of the company and people those who are working in the company, right? So if you enter up vihgroup.com, right, so probably you'll get two emails, right? academy@vihgroup.com and internship@vihgroup.com, which is you can see three emails. Okay, so this is something which is good one, right? Which is you don't have to mess around with a lot of timings issue, and you'll get a great thing, right? So let me check wellhub.com, right? Checking for wellhub. I guess it's not a domain. Hub.com, is it a domain or what? Yes, it's a domain. Let's check it out. So you get a lot of which is related Nokia. Okay, this is not something what exactly you're looking for. This is something. Okay, let's say for the Googles. Okay, Google, this is funky disclaimer. Basically, this is for ethical purpose only. So you got a lot of emails which is associated with the Googles. Again, this is for education purpose only. You can see 8645 emails is already listed there. So you can, if you want to buy it, if you want something for the good ethics, right? So this is how you can extract email ID of a specific company. Couple of mails are free, right? Here you got to see about 10, but probably they will increase or something. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.